Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU and RAM usage on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, restart your computer. This helps clear temporary background tasks and can quickly reduce resource usage. After your PC starts again, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, click on the CPU column or the Memory column to sort programs by usage. This will show you which apps are using the most system resources. If you notice an app like a browser, game, or another third-party program using too much CPU or RAM, select it and click End Task. Avoid ending tasks under the Windows Processes section unless you know exactly what the process does. Next, go to the Startup Apps tab. On some older Windows versions, this may be called the Startup tab. Here you'll see programs that launch automatically when your PC starts. Look for apps you don't really need running in the background, such as Cortana, Skype, Discord, or gaming launchers. Right-click each unnecessary app and choose Disable. Now open Windows Search and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and open it. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for best performance. You can also manually disable animations and visual effects if you prefer. Click Apply, then click OK. If the problem still continues, run a full malware scan. Sometimes, hidden malware or crypto miners can cause very high CPU usage. Use Microsoft Defender or another trusted antivirus program to scan your system and remove any threats. Thanks for watching.